So I'm currently working on a 2019 Kia Stinger. This isn't your typical gray, like your rock gray. This actually has a lot of metallic in it. It's actually really cool. Already went ahead and deconned it, and I already started polishing on it. It's actually the end of the day today. What all I've done, show you how some things are, what I'm gonna do to it. So we are performing a two-step correction, a ceramic coating. We're gonna do some paint touch-ups, badge removal. As you can see, after compounding, it's looking really good. Just to kind of give you a comparison here, I did do this fender. So we got the fender here, and then we have the defects. So that's just after compounding. It looks really good. I did remove the badges. There were two badges here. This badge is actually getting replaced with a different badge, and then there was a badge here. And then we are gonna do the front as well. I had pulled the front badge off here. I'm gonna do some touch-ups on the bumper. There's only a few couple chips here. I'm gonna replace it with this badge on the front, and then this is just a very big Stinger badge that's gonna go over top of those holes and cover it all up. So I'm actually gonna do the badges after I'm done compounding, but I'm gonna go ahead right now and do some touch-up paint because it's about 6 o'clock here, so I probably won't get started till about 9 a.m. tomorrow, so that's over about 14 hours, so it gives the paint time to cure. So right now I'm doing a little bit of wet sanding to remove some deeper defects from these emblems. They really seemed to imprint. So I'm not sure as to Alrighty, so I am done polishing the car, so it's all compounded and polished out. So now we're gonna start on the prep. I did put this rear badge on here, but if you can look, okay, you can see where the hole is. So there was actually two holes I needed to cover up, but there was absolutely no way for me to actually cover up both of them to where the placement was. But I did check to make sure that this was level, because even if we tried to level them, well, then it could just look completely offset. So that was about the best we could do. And then as far as the front badge, we just got done dremeling the third hole off, because I'm assuming it's a European badge. And so if you look here at those three holes, so it didn't fit in at all, and the closest I got was actually like right here. So you have the two closed holes and then the one hole here, but even then it still didn't fit, and then it was crooked. So I dremeled out the hole and then put a piece of 3M tape over it to stop it from scratching. So it did fit very well. So we're gonna apply that now. Okay, and there we go. I am bleeding a little bit. So, new badges are on. Okay, so right now I'm doing some wheel coating. I'm coating it with the Geon Flash. We're just doing the faces. So I'm gonna finish up here tonight by finishing up the wheels and do the exhaust tips as well. I'm gonna save the glass and the paint for tomorrow, and then this car will be all done. Alright, so I'm getting all taken care of this vehicle. It's all coated. It all looks really, really good. So, very glowy. It's been about 4 hours. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish with Geon Cure. This is going to help in the first initial 2 weeks before you can do your wash. Geon recommends that you don't wash your car for 14 days, so we like to top it off with Geon Cure to help aid in that protection, as well as adding some gloss and slickness to the vehicle as well before it goes. Okay, so right now I'm just using Geon Cure, diluted 50/50, and I am just, it's been about 6 hours since I did the car, and I am just going to top it with Geon Cure to help with the in-between wash period. So you don't want to wash the vehicle for 14 days, so Cure really helps aid in that as far as getting you by.